In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a number line on Google Docs. This is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're comfortable and clear about how to accomplish it. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Docs document where you want to create the number line. Begin by clicking on Insert in the top menu bar. From the drop-down, navigate down to Drawing and then select New. This opens up a new drawing window where we'll create the number line. Look for the line tool in the drawing interface, select it, and then click once on the drawing canvas. Now press the Shift key on your keyboard. This is important because it helps to keep your line straight as you draw. Drag your cursor across the canvas until you have the desired length for your horizontal line. Once you have your horizontal line, you can customize it to your liking. You may want to adjust the thickness to make the line more prominent. You can also change the color of the line if you wish. Both options are available in the toolbar above. Next, to represent the divisions on the number line, you'll need to create vertical lines. To do this, select the line tool again and draw a short vertical line. Click on this vertical line to select it, then copy it. You can do this by either right-clicking and selecting Copy or using the keyboard shortcut. Now paste this vertical line as many times as needed along your horizontal line. The number of vertical lines will depend on how many divisions you want your number line to have. You can adjust their positions later to ensure they are evenly spaced. Once all your vertical lines are in place, it's time to align them. Click Select and draw a box over all the lines, ensuring each one is highlighted. Right-click and find the Align Vertically option. Whether you choose top, middle, or bottom doesn't matter much here. We're using this step to bring the lines into alignment vertically, making sure they appear tidy and cohesive. With everything aligned, place your vertical lines onto your horizontal line. After that, drag the last line to the right end of your horizontal line, ensuring all the lines are distributed evenly across. To finish up, we need to add numbers under the subdivisions. Click the text box tool and create a small box beneath each vertical line. Type in the corresponding numbers one by one. This provides a clear reference to whoever will use this number line. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your newly created number line will now appear within your Google Doc. And there you have it. That is how you make a number line in Google Docs. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and guides.